Okay, just listen. In our last class, we discussed about what is mean by mean or arithmetic mean or average, and how to find out it is by using deviation method also. Now we will see another median. Okay, after this we will discuss about mode. What is mean by median? See, for suppose I am giving one of the data, some of the entries in the data. For suppose I gave 15, 12, 10, 8, 23, 7, 0, 5. Like this I have given some of the observations. Okay, some of the observations in data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more number I am taking 3. Like this I have the numbers, total 9 numbers I have. Okay, see, each entry in the data, this is the given data, means all these numbers are given data, and whatever data given, first arrange them in ascending order, otherwise descending order while you are choosing median. Okay, so first write the given values in ascending order. Each value in this data is known as observation. Each entry of the given data is known as observation. Okay, and how many times it is occurring, that is frequency. Okay, how many times it is happening, that is frequency. And difference between highest observation and lowest observation is known as range. See here, data means collection of information, that may be numbers or words. Collection of information is known as data. Sorry. Okay, collection of information is known as data, and in data, whatever each entry of the data in the data is known as observation. Observation means here how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 observations are there. And uh, difference between highest observation and lowest observation is known as range. Okay, what is the range of this data? We will see. What is the highest observation here? 23, and lowest observation is minus, difference no. So minus, lowest observation is 0. So 23 minus 0. 23 is the range of this data. And how many observations are there in the given data? Total 9 observations are there. So this is the information, numerical information. So that's why it is known as data. Okay. And now these are the different terms. And how many times that observations are occurring? See here, each number is occurring only once. So that is frequency. Frequency of 15 is 1. Frequency of 12 also is 1. Like that. Okay. First of all, whatever data they are given in numerical, write them in ascending order or descending order. See, if you are writing first whatever data they are given, writing in ascending and descending order for to find mean or median or mode, no problem. So write the given data in the ascending order, otherwise descending order. So I am using descending order. Descending order is nothing but what? We need to write the numbers from bigger to smaller. Okay. So what is the biggest number here? 23. Then after this bigger entry is 15, and after that 12, then 10, then 0. So total 9 observations are came or not, we will see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So here number of observations, n is equal to 9 we got. Odd number. 9 is an odd number, yes or no? In this case, we will get only one median, means exactly middle value we need to select. Median is nothing but the middle value of the given entries. While you are arranging the given data in an order, then exactly middle value is said to be median of the data. So now here median for this given data is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 observations. 9 observations are there. Fifth observation will be the middle for first four and next four. Just observe exactly middle for all the given observations while we are writing in ascending order, otherwise descending order. Okay, so here median of the given data is equal to 8. And remember, so it is one of the value from the given observations. See, in case of mean, sometimes we will get one of the observation, otherwise most of the times we will not get one of the value from the given observation. But coming to median, when n is a odd number, compulsory we will get from the uh, data itself. And except median, if you are changing anything for exterms means for except median, if you are doing anything for these terms and this term means adding or subtracting anything, then also see, for suppose if you are increasing this side, there is no problem because 8 only we will get middle. If you are increasing these values more than the median, there is no effect on the median. Okay, means for suppose these four observations are increased by 2, 2, 2 for suppose, means it will become 12, 14 like that. Then also observe 8 only we will get a middle because we are not changing this. So median will not change. Okay, if you are uh, making any changes, if you are increasing the observations after selecting the median also, there is no effect on the median. Okay, and next median of the data is equal to 8 we got when n is a odd number. If I am taking one more observation with 1, okay, then here I'll get 1 and 0. Now I can't get only one observation as median because n is equal to 10 we got now. 10 numbers are there. Total number of observations are 10, means even number. So in this case, how we need to select the median? Which values we are getting middle values? Just observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth observation and sixth observation, both we will get in middle. But we can't take two values for median. Take the average of those two values, means mean of those two values. That is only 2 now. So sum of observations 8 plus 7 by number of observations are 2. So therefore median of the data is equal to 8 plus 7 by 2, which is nothing but 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is nothing but 2 sevens are 14, 7.5. So 7.5 is not a, okay. So remember, whenever they are asking about either mean or median or mode, first arrange the given observations in ascending order, otherwise descending order. And if n is number of observations are odd, in that case we will get only one median. That will become median of the data. Only one mid value we will get, so that will become median of the data. In case of even number of observations are even, in that case we will get two middle values. For those two middle values, we need to take the mean to get the median. Okay. Now next term. Okay. Now observe this one of the example problems depending on median. Find the median of 9 observations. Find the median of 9 observations. Fourteen, 36, 25, 28, 35, 32, 56, 42, 50. So therefore, observe this, here given number of observations are 9. So given n equal to 9, and so it is a odd number. In this case, compulsory we will get exactly middle value, and which value is that one? So therefore, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. Why? Because n plus 1 means 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2 is 5th term. So, 5th term of the given data, 5th observation of the given data will become median of the data. We will see whether we will get or not. Actually, this is in formula. Okay. Now, arrange the given data in ascending order. So, ascending or descending, any order. Ascending order of given observations. Is first observe the given observations. Which one is smaller here? 14. So next 20 numbers we have 25, 28. After that 30 numbers we have 35, 36, sorry, 32, 35, 36 with 30. See, first with 10 only 14 we have. Next in 20s 25, 28 we have. So 25, 28 in order. And after that 36, 35, 32. So 32, 35, 36. Ascending order we are writing. And after that we in 40. 40 is only one number is there, that is 42. Then 50 and 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And n plus 1 by 5th term I said. 5th term will be the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 35. See, just observe 4. This side also 4. It is exactly middle. 5th term. So therefore median is equal to 35. That's all. See, by using the formula like this we will write. N is the number of observations. So when n is odd, we will get n plus 1 by 2 term as a median. We will see for even number also next term. So just if 61 is added for the same values, total 10 observations are there. So 61 is the highest number. So lastly we will get ascending order of the data, and here n is equal to 10. So it is an even number. Okay. In that case, median will become average of, that is mean of so median is equal to mean of n by 2 term and n plus 1 by n by 2 plus 1. That means just observe that n value is 10. N by 2 means 5th term. 10 by 2, 5th term, and n by 2 is 5th term and plus 1, 6th term, completely. 5th term, 6th term, mean we need to consider. So therefore median is equal to, here n value is 10. So n by 2 means 5th term, mean of 5th and 6th observations. n by 2 means 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So mean of fifth and sixth observations will become median for the given data, because here number of observations are 10. So which will be equal to, what is the fifth term here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these two are exactly middle, just observe. So take the mean of these two values, that is 35 plus 36 by 2. Sum of observations by number of observations, mean. So which will be equal to 35 plus 35 will get 70, so 71 by 2. That is 2 3s are 6, 11, 2 5s are 10, 35.5 is the median of the given data. Okay. Once again observe, when if 61 are there, only 9 observations we are getting, in that case n plus 1 by 2, the term will become as median. In that case 9, n value will be 9, so 9 plus 1 means 10, 10 by 2 is 5, fifth term, that is only 35 will get. If one of the numbers will become 10, so even number, whenever you are getting even number, you need to select the median like that, mean of n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term. So by doing so, we are getting 35.5. So first arrange the given values in ascending order or descending order. If those are odd numbers, select only one middle value. If it is even, select two mid values and find out their mean to get the median. That's it. So now take the definition for median and formula also. Median is middlemost value in ordered data, means mid value we are taking. It depends on number of observations. Depends on number of observation and only middle value of the data, that's all. Middle observations of the ordered data. It is not affected by any change in extreme values. It does not affected by any change in extreme values. Okay, and after this, one more point. Okay. Okay, then coming to just observe some of the example problems and median only. And after this, we will see what is meant by mode and how to calculate it. Find the median of the data. (24, 65, 85, 12, 45, 35, 15. Okay, these are the given observations. So now try to write them in the ascending order or descending order first thing. So arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order of given data is equal to, what is the smaller value among the given values? 12, and then 15, then 24, then 24, after that 35, and then we have 45, then 85, 65. Sorry, 65, 85, ascending order. So observe the given observations: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because n is odd. N equal to 7 only. Number of observations are odd. In that case, only one mid value we will get, that is which term? N plus 1 by 2 term is equal to median of the given data. So that is nothing but which term is n plus 1? N value is 7. So 7 plus 1, that is 8 by 2, fourth term. What is the fourth term? 1, 2, 3, 4. 35. So median of the data is equal to 35. That's all. Okay. The exactly middle value, take it. That's it. Okay. So 35 will be the mid value of the given data. So median of the given data is equal to 35 because n is odd number, only one number we are getting. Okay. Okay, now observe the next question. If the median of the data is 12, given data is 12, find the mean of the given data they are asking. So just observe here. Median is nothing but exactly middle value. Means first we need to write the given observations in order. See, x is smaller than 2xy because first suppose take x value as 2. Then first observation is x, that is 2. Second observation is 2x, means 2 times of this value, that is 2 2s are 4 will get. And the last observation is 4 into x, 4 times of x, that is 4 2s are 8. See, 2, 4, 8. Already they are given in order only. Okay, x into 2x in 2x and 4x. All those three are in order. Their median is 12. Only 3 observations are there. So exactly middle value, that is 2x is 12. So like that, find out x value and 4x value. From there, we will get all the 3 observations. After that, we need to find out mean. Mean is nothing but sum of observations by number of observations. Remember, mean depends on sum of the observations as well as the number of observations. Whereas median is depends on exactly middle value of the observation, and if any changes are there on the extreme values, there is no effect on median, and it is depends on observations as well number of observations and the middle value of the observation. Number of observation also, median also depends on number of observations. Why? Because if number of observations are even, we will get one value, odd we will get another value. Okay, but it exactly depends on middle value. It does not affected by extreme values. Coming to mean, it is depends on both sum of the observations and number of observations. So if they are asking any question related to mean, take the formula sum of observations by number of observations. In that, what is missing, find out. And if they are asking about median, arrange the given data in the ascending order or descending order, select the exact middle value. If odd numbers, odd observations are there, then only one value will get. If even number of observations are there, in that case, we will get 2 middle. Okay. So given observations already in order. So given data is x, 2x, 4x already in order. So therefore given that median of x comma 2x comma 4x is equal to 12. So only number of observations are 3. So exactly middle value. Therefore 2x is equal to 12 since median only, no. So median of that 3 is equal to 12. Then x value, 4x value we need to find. 2x we have 12. X value will be equal to, bring this to this side, 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 sixes, so x is equal to 6. And 4x will be equal to 4 into 6. X value we have 6, so 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24. Therefore, the observations are first observation is x, 2x, 4x. X is 6, 2x is 12, and 4x is 24. Therefore, mean of the data will be equal to, we need to find out mean, equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So what are the observations here? 6 plus 12 plus 24 divided by number of observations are 3. So 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 12, 42, 42 by 3. 3 14s are 42. That's all. So mean of the data will be equal to 14. Once again, observe the question carefully. Median of, if the median of this data is 12, find out their mean given. So only 3 observations are there and already they are given order. So 2x value will be equal to 12 because median is equal to 12 they are given. So 2x equal to 12, from that xc value is 6 and 4x value is 24. So those observations are 6, 12 and 24, right in order. And after that sum of observations by number of observations is mean. So here those three observations sum we are getting as 42 by 3. So that's it. Now coming to the third example. If the median of the data, if the median of the data 24, 29, 34, 38 and x is 29, then the value of x, then the value of x is, first option, x is greater than 38, second one, x is lesser than 29, and third one, X lies in between 29 and 34. And fourth one given none. Okay, just observe here. Median is nothing but first we need to arrange the given data in ordered form. And here how many observations are given, first count. See, median of the data is 29 given in the question. And number of observations, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the observation is X. Okay. So given observations, given number of observations is equal to, so instead of number of observations, we can write small n, which is equal to 5. So it is an odd number. Means exactly mid value will become as the median. Yes. So how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this 5 numbers we are getting. Exactly third term will become as the median, and median of the data given already 29 means this third term will be 29. Okay. So just see. First of all, write the given observations in order. Ascending order or descending order, whatever. Ascending order of data is 24. Next smaller number 29. Next value is 34, 38, and X given. See, if 29 is the third term, then only we will get the median. Means that may be more than 24 or lesser than 24, but it must be lesser than 29. Means, so given median of the data is equal to 29, and because n is 5, third term will be the median. Therefore, this is equal to third term in the data is median. So this third term is median, that is equal to 29. And before 29, only one smaller number we are having, that is 24. If you are taking X after this 29, then it will not come in middle. Okay, what I'm trying to say, just observe here, they are given number of observations are odd. So when number of observations are odd, exactly middle value, that means n plus 1 by 2 term. So median of the data will be equal to n plus 1 by 2 term after arranging them. So n is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but third term. Yes, third term will be the median. That means, and given median is equal to 29. Okay, now observe the order of the, so ordered data is 24, 29 will be the third term. Okay, and only with 20 we have two terms only. So that may be that X may be before 24 or after 24. That may be second observation or first observation. But that is lesser than 29 only. Then we have 34 and 38. Why? Because they have mentioned that 29 is the median. That's why. If you are taking X more than 29, so 29 will not get as the median. Okay. Therefore, X is must be lesser than 29. Either may be first observation or second observation, no problem. But third observation compulsory we need to get 29. Why? Because given median is 29. Okay. Here X we will get, otherwise here we will get X, no problem. Now coming to next type of representation of data, that is mode. Okay, we have finished mean, median, and coming to mean, that is depending on both the number of observations as well as value of each observation. Whereas median, it is depends on number of observations and only middle value of the observations. And now coming to the mode. Mode is nothing but, see, for suppose with the example I'll explain and what are those different properties of mode also we will see. See, if I have data like this 3, 5, 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, like this I have the numbers. Now, whatever data is given, try to write in the ascending order or descending order. Here, smaller number is 1 and it is up 1, 2. So, 1 came 2 times, 1 comma 1. Then 2 is the smaller value. So, 1, 2, 3 times it is came. 1, 2, 3. And 4 not there. 5, 1, 2 times we have. 6 not there. 7 we have. 7 only once. Sorry, 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3 times we have 3. And 5, 1, 2. 7 only once. So how many observations we got? Just observe whether we written all observations or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 observations are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 observations we got. Now, in this, which one is coming more number of times we will see. See, for suppose 2 not there. In that case, 1, 2 is not there. Now, 1 came twice, 2 came twice, 3 came 3 times, 5 came 2 times, 7 came only 1 time. Which is occurring more number of times? 1, 2 times we got, 2 also 2 times, 3, 3 times we got, 5, 2 times, 7 only 1 time. These are the observations in the given data and how many times they are appearing in the data. Which is occurring more number of times? 3 is occurring more number of times. So 3 is the mode of the data. Which number coming more times? 3 coming more number of times. So 3 is the mode of the data. Okay. If suppose, so mode of the data will be equal to 3, which is nothing but most frequently occurring data. Okay. And here we no need to discuss what is the value of the data. No need. Means value of the data is value of the observation is not, no need to decide mode, as well as number of observations. Here are we talking about number of observations? No. Which is coming more number of times, checking and writing, that one as the mode. So mode does not depends on number of observations as well as the value of observation. Whereas median depending on both value of observation and number of observations. Mean is depending upon each value of the observation and number of observations. Median is depending on number of observation and middle value of the observation. And coming to the mode, it does not depends on number of observation as well as value of observation. Okay. And mean is the sum of observations by number of observations. Entire average we need to take. And next, secondly, for median, exactly middle value we need to take. Coming to mode, which is coming more number of times, we must take that one. Okay. And here if I got 2 also again, for suppose 2 also I am getting 3 times. So this data is having 3 and 2 as modes. Means mode may be see if each number is occurring equal number of times, every number is coming same number of times, there is no mode. Okay, and if only one number we are getting more number of times, then the data having only one mode. If 2 and 3 are repeating equal number of times, so mode of the data is 2 as well as 3. It is said to be bimodal data. And more than 2 also we will get mode. So mode may be there is no mode for the data, maybe, and only one mode or two modes or more than two modes. Okay, so we will take the definition for mode, and tomorrow we will solve the exercise problems on mean, mode and median. We will discuss about this topic in the next class.